There are so many reasons not to get an expensive set of pans and pots, equipment for the kitchen. One is you can buy it cheap at the big box store. The only thing is, this is not made in USA and it has metals that leach. Saladmaster is made out of titanium. They put titanium in water ionizers, and if you have any metal put in your body, it's going to be titanium because it doesn't leach. Secondly, if you have a party or a demonstration at your house, then somebody comes and teaches you how to cook a meal, and they bring the food, and then they wash up. So it's like a party with a caterer, but instead of you paying the caterer, you buy the equipment and you learn things. And you are going to cook more because you've got really good pots and pans to cook with. And I could talk about Saladmaster a whole long time, but I think y'all have heard enough. I like it.